Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, April 11th, and this is my recap of the top view videos of the day. And the US dollar came in number one today, so we're going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see my full top down analysis on the euro dollar, make sure you check out the video made this morning, linked at the end of this video over here. So anyways, really kind of a slow day overall, but I think it's extremely clear that this is a wave 4 and a wave 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. In this type of circumstance, I would definitely say that this should take out the high right here, and it's either going to make a correction to the downtrend, or it possibly could be a trend reversal if this right here is actually a wave 5 or a wave C on the higher time frames. Now, there is a possibility the US dollar is in a wave 3, and if that is the case, we do have to be aware that it may not break the high. Instead, it may make a lower high and just keep on going down. So I'm definitely looking for this breaker structure to at least confirm that we're making some sort of a move to the upside, because as of now, there's always a possibility if the US dollar really is in a wave 3 that we're going to get a little three-way pattern and just another push to the downside, even though we have this almost perfect five-wave trend, and that would definitely make you think that it would take out the high of wave 4. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel linked down here in the corner, and don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to the daily live trading sessions and the swing trade setups at my website fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.